Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, let's create these 3 cards using HTML, CSS and they're fully responsive. I'll show you one simple trick to get this effect, and using that trick, you can create any cards with different animations and that are fully responsive. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, here I have index.html and style.css and I have 3 images. I will provide all these things in the description. You can take them. Okay, and if you go to CSS, here I have given some common styles like margin 0, padding 0, and I have taken dark background color to the body. Okay, simple. Now first thing what we'll do is, guys, let's create a container. So I'll write container and let's click on enter, and here first let's create a card, and inside card first let's create image, and image will be p1.jpg. Simple. And after image we need to have content, right? So let's have a separate class for content, and inside content first thing is h3, and here I'll take John. This is our first guy, and after that let's take paragraph, and here let's paste some lorem ipsum text, and after that we need to have a button, and let's take a class to that button which is btn. Okay, and the text should be read more, so let's write here read and let's write here more. Okay, simple. Now let's copy this card, okay, and let's paste it 2 times. Simple, guys. And we need to change some things here, so let's change it to p2 and let's change it to Mario. Okay, that is our second guy. And then let's go down, and here let's make it to p3.jpg, and here let's put Elena. Okay, this is our third member. Simple, Elena. Now let me go to style.css. Okay, so first thing what we'll do is that let's target the container first. So I'm gonna write container, and inside container first let's take display flex. Okay, and let's type justify content center, and let's write align items center. Okay, simple. After that we need to provide one important line, guys, that is flex wrap. Okay, flex wrap, and that should be wrap. This will make sure that flex items will wrap into multiple lines when the screen size is decreased rather than shrinking or overflowing. So that is why we have to take flex wrap. Now let's give it height. So I'm gonna type height as 100 viewport height. Okay, after that let's give it width, and width should be 100%. Okay, yeah. So guys, with these lines, basically what we are telling is that whatever the content that is present inside my container, please put it in center position both horizontally and vertically within this 100 viewport height of the container. Now let's select individual card. So let's write card. First we need to give width. So I'm gonna give width as 325 pixel. Okay, this is what I want my each card should be. Okay, and after that let's take background color. So I want background color should be white. Okay, simple. And after that let's give some border radius. So I want border radius to be maybe 8 pixel. Okay, simple. And after that let's write margin 20 pixel. So this will create some gap between all the flex items. Okay, and after that let's write overflow hidden, just to make sure that content will not overflow. Okay, and after that let's give box shadow, so we can get that box shadow effect. And here let's write 0 pixel, and then let's write 5 pixel, and then let's write 20 pixel, and here let's write RGBA, and that should be 0, 0, 0, 0 point, maybe let's take 8. Okay, simple. And now let's select image. So I'm going to select card, and let's write here image, and here let's take width as 100% of its parent, that is nothing but card, and let's take height also 100%. Okay, simple, guys. Now we can see we got our 3 cards here. Okay, and there is one thing that is missing, so let's write here object fit cover. Okay, simple. Now what this will do is that it will scale or crop the image such that it will fill the image over the entire container. Okay, and it will also maintain image aspect ratio. So you can see this is looking really good. Now it's time to style this content. So let's come here, and first what we'll do is that let's select content. So let's write card, and let's take content. Yeah, here first let's give padding. So padding should be maybe 16 pixel. Okay, now let's copy this one, and after that let's come here and let's select h3. Okay, yeah, for h3 what we'll do is that first let's give font size, and maybe font size should be 28 pixel. Okay, awesome. And after that let's give margin bottom. So margin bottom should be maybe 8 pixel. Okay, let's style paragraph. So again we need to copy this one, and let's put here p. Okay, and first thing what we'll do is that let's give it a color. So color should be 333. Okay, simple. And after that let's give it font size, and font size should be maybe 15 pixel. Okay, and after that let's give it line height, and line height should be maybe 1.3. okay, and after that let's select the final thing, which is button. So for that, what we'll do is that first let's give some padding. So I'm gonna write padding on top and bottom, and 16 pixel on left and right. And after that let's give it some background color, 212121. Let's give text decoration, and that should be none. Okay, after that let's give margin top, because there is no space at all, so let's give margin top as maybe 16 pixel. Okay, that should be sufficient. And after that, oh, looks like that is not taking place. Yeah, I got it, because we need to give display property, and that should be inline block. Okay, so inline block. Yeah, awesome. So guys, by default this anchor tag is inline element, and inline element by default cannot take margin top and margin bottom. That is why we are writing here inline block. Now I can provide margin top. Now let me expand this once. Yeah, you see guys, our cards are looking really good and they are in center position. Now let's add white color to these buttons. So let's go to VS Code, and here let's write color, and that should be white. Okay, that's it guys. Now let's go to Chrome. You see guys, this is looking really good. Okay, yeah, now let's see how it is looking in mobile screens. So let me inspect this one, and you can see guys, it is looking really good, and you can see the flex items are also wrapping correctly. But there is one thing guys, if you can see here, we are not having that margin bottom to this last card. So let's fix that. Here let's take media query. So I'll write media, and let's take max width, and that should be 768 pixel. Okay, and after that what we'll do is that let's select the container. Okay, and inside container first let me give width, and width should be 100%. okay, and that is same as here. You can see we have given width 100%. But coming to height, what I want is that I want it to be auto. That means you decide automatically based on the viewport height. Okay, simple. Let's go to Chrome. You can see guys, we got the space at the bottom. So guys, using this simple logic or simple trick, you can create any cards, and you can create any animations, and you can make them responsive. So if you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.